Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, for this video, math lesson uli. Pag-uusapan natin on how to add and subtract dissimilar fractions. Okay? Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button and paki-like na rin po ang video. Okay? So, first, before you watch this video, make sure that you already watch the previous video on how to get the LCD and how to convert dissimilar fraction into similar fractions, because you need the knowledge um, from that video for you to understand this topic. Okay? Again, make sure na napanood nyo yung videos natin on how to get the LCD and how to convert dissimilar into similar fractions para makasabay kayo sa video na to. Okay, sabi meron daw 2 steps. Convert the given into similar fractions. Like I said, meron tayong separate video dyan. Detailed po on how to convert. So please watch it. And then step 2, perform addition or subtraction in the numerator and just copy the denominator. Okay? So let's try to solve number 1. Number 1, we have 1/3 plus 1/4. Then, sabi, convert into similar fraction first. Okay, dahil dissimilar ito, 3 and 4 ang denominator, we need to convert it. Okay, and then LCD nila ay 12. Okay, paano po nakuha yung 12? 3, 6, 9, 12, which are multiples of 3, 4, 8, 12. So, LCD is 12. Okay, again, for more detailed video on how to get the LCD, please watch my previous video. Okay, moving forward, we have our LCD na. So, we need to find the equivalent similar fraction. So, denominator divided by the first denominator, 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then, 1 times 4 is 4. And then, yung 1/4 naman, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. So, now we have a similar fraction. And then, step 2 na tayo. Step 2. Perform addition or subtraction in the numerator and copy the denominator. Ang sabi, copy daw yung denominator. Okay, so we have 12. And then, 4 plus 3 is 7. So, this is already in lowest term. So, we have 7 over 12. Okay. So, number 2, 1/4 plus 2/3. Again, almost same sa number 1. Denominator natin ay, we have a denominator of 3 and 4. So, obviously, their LCD is also 12. Okay? And then, first fraction, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 1 times 4 is, 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Then 12 divided by 3 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Again, we had already a similar fraction. We will proceed to step 2, perform addition and subtraction on the numerator. 8 plus 3 is 11. And then, just copy the denominator. So, 12. So, we have 11 over 12. Number 3, 2/3 plus 3/7. Okay, LCD, um, hindi na natin patatagalin for detailed um, lecture on how to get the LCD. Please just watch our previous video. So this time, hindi na natin masyadong given na. Let's say, marunong na talaga sa LCD. So, hindi natin matatagalin pa. So, LCD for 7 and 3 is 21. And then, 21 divided by 3 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 7 divided by, 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then, at the numerator, we have 15. And then, copy the denominator. Okay? So, this one is not yet in lowest term. They have an LCM. They have a GCF of 3. So, 15 over 21. They have a GCF of 3. Again, for GCF, meron din po tayong separate video there. Please make sure na napanood nyo na yun bago kayo mag-jump dito. Kasi prerequisite po yun. Kailangan napanood nyo muna yung mga naunang video bago po mag-proceed dito. Okay? So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So, we have 5, 7 for number 3. Okay? So, number 4. 4 over 9 plus 1/3 LCD for 9 and 3 is 9. And 9 divided by 9 is 1 times 4 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so we have 4 plus 3 is 7. And then we have 9. Okay. So, proceed tayo sa number 5. Subtraction naman. So, 2/3 minus 1/2. So, LCD for 2 and 3 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So, 4 minus 3 is 1. So, we have 1/6. Number 6. 5/6 minus 2/9. Okay? LCD for 6 and 9 is 18. So, 18 divided by 6 is 3 times 5, 15. 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 2, 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. Okay, we have 11 over 18 for number 6. Number 7, 23 over 25 minus 2/5. LCD for 5 and 25 is 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1 times 23 is 23. So, 25 divided by 5 is 5 times 2 is 10. So, we have 23 minus 10 is 13. over 25. Minus 1/3. Okay. So LCD for 3 and 11 is 33. 33 divided by 11 is 3 times 10, 30. 33 divided by 3 is 11 times 1. So we have 11. So here 30 minus 11 is 19. So you have 19 over 33 for number 8. So again guys, before proceeding for this topic, make sure na napanood nyo na yung how to get the LCD, how to get the GCF, and how to convert dissimilar into similar fraction. Because you need all of the lectures in there, that videos, so you can proceed here. Okay? So again, please, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button. And God bless. At sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you.